Corrosion is a natural process that occurs when metals react with their environment, leading to the gradual destruction of the material. Iron and steel are particularly susceptible to corrosion, more so than aluminium because of the chemical reactions they undergo when exposed to air and water. Rusting, the specific type of corrosion that affects iron and steel, requires both oxygen from the air and moisture from water to take place. When iron is exposed to these elements, it reacts to form iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Over time, rust weakens the structure of the metal, making it brittle and prone to failure. Aluminium, while also exposed to air and moisture, corrodes much less because it forms a thin, protective oxide layer that adheres tightly to the surface. This layer prevents further oxidation and acts as a shield against further corrosion. In contrast, the rust that forms on iron flakes off, continually exposing fresh layers of metal to corrosion. This makes iron and steel much more vulnerable to ongoing damage, whereas aluminium's corrosion is self-limiting. There are two main methods to prevent rusting in iron and steel. The first is the use of protective coatings, such as paint or oil, which act as barriers between the metal and the corrosive elements. By preventing air and moisture from reaching the surface, these coatings slow down or stop the corrosion process. A common example is the painting of outdoor steel structures like bridges and fences, which helps prolong their lifespan by preventing rust. The second method is galvanization, where a protective layer of zinc is applied to the surface of the metal. Zinc is more reactive than iron, so it corrodes instead of the iron beneath it. This sacrificial protection is often used for items like nails, pipes, and car bodies. Even if the zinc coating is scratched or damaged, the surrounding zinc continues to protect the exposed iron. Iron and steel corrode more than aluminium because they lack the natural protective oxide layer that aluminium forms. Both air and water are essential for rusting to occur, and preventing rust is vital for maintaining the integrity and longevity of iron and steel structures. Techniques like protective coatings and galvanization are widely used to guard against the damaging effects of corrosion.